Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will verify prerequisites and begin enrollment now. First, check your exact Windows 10 build with WinVer so you know which ESU patch stream applies. Next, make sure your device can reach Microsoft Update or your WSUS server and that proxy settings allow TLS traffic. Then obtain and hold your ESU MAK or CSB entitlement key. Once done, create a system backup and enable diagnostic/telemetry to basic so update compatibility checks succeed. You will install supporting updates and activate ESU on the machine. Start by installing the required servicing stack and any pre-ESU KB, then run slmgr. VBS/IPK with your ESU MAK to stage the key. Check activation status using slmgr. VBS/DLV. After that, enable ESU metadata by installing the ESU eligibility update and set group policy or MDM policy to allow extended security updates. Make sure updates are approved in WSUS or pulled from You will complete patching and handle typical failures. Approve and deploy monthly ESU security updates, then monitor for reboots and verify updates installed. If an update fails, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and sfc/scano, then review CBS and Windows update logs for error codes. If ESU activation reports errors, reapply the MAK, confirm system time and connectivity, and review activation status with slmgr. VBS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.